I love grilling season. Nothing like pulling hot food off of that grill. But unless you want tonight's chicken to taste like yesterday's fish, you're gonna have to clean your grill grate. Luckily, Adam's here and he's gonna tell us which grill brush is the right one for the job.
Indeed, it is the first task of any grilling recipe to heat up the grate and clean it off.
You gotta do it.
So to find out which brush was gonna do that best, we tested these 8 here. The prices ranged from a low of $5 to a high of $35. You can see there are 2 types, basically. These here all have bristles.
Okay.
Different types of bristles, metal, palmyra, which is derived from palm trees, and nylon. And then those 3 in front of you do not have bristles. That one has a scouring pad set into a head. Those are stainless steel coils. And then there's the wooden one at the end. We'll talk about that soon.
Okay.
So the testers used each of these to clean the grill grates before and after cooking chicken thighs slathered with barbecue sauce on a charcoal grill and hamburger patties on a gas grill.
That barbecue sauce is like glue.
Oh man, does it make a mess. They also used each one to scrub the grates 100 strokes up, 100 strokes back. So that's 200 strokes for both types of grills, charcoal and gas. So that's 400 strokes per brush. Right off the bat, they determined that those that don't have bristles had some cleaning problems. Why don't you try this one with the scouring pad set into it?
All right.
Tell me what you think.
Because you've also supplied a cold grill with lots of schmutz on it.
We are indoors, we couldn't heat up the grill.
All right. Well, I mean, it's all right until I try to get near the edge. Although, no, it's left a lot of stuff in between.
You raised 2 good points. Number 1, that one was better for getting the tops of the bars.
Right.
It didn't really get between the bars very well. Number 2, this brush and a couple of the others had scrapers attached, but those prevent you from getting all the way to the edge of the grate. And everyone knows that's where a lot of gunk can build up.
Sure does, yeah.
So that's a problem. Now, this one did a little better, but testers found you had to hold it at kind of an odd angle to get between the bars. Then we come to the wooden one. When you buy one of these wooden ones, this edge is as smooth as this edge. And the idea is that you are going to burn a custom pattern into the cleaning edge from your grill grate by running it up and down the hot grate until you make indentations. Those tiny little indentations came from 10 minutes of scraping a hot charcoal grill grate.
I don't appreciate the work.
You know, not only did it not clean that well, but then you have indentations that correspond to a specific grill grate. If you ever want to take it to a party to clean a different kind of grill, or you happen to have 2 grills, you need 1 unit per grill. You can't go from grill to grill. And you've spent a lot of money for the pleasure. That was the most expensive one in the lineup.
Really? Wow.
So let's move on to those with the bristles.
Okay.
Not all bristles are created equal. Why don't you try this one? That's the one with the palmyra bristles, and they measure about 2 inches.
The bristles are very long here.
And the same thing that's happening to you happened to the test cooks. They got caught on the crossbars, and that was very irritating to them. This one has nylon bristles. The manufacturer actually recommends that you not use that on a hot grill grate.
Oh, but that's the best way to clean a grill grate.
We always heat up the grill grate to help you loosen the gunk. That leaves these 3 with the metal bristles. These bristles were about 1/2 inch long, so they slid right over the grates, didn't get caught on anything. You can see though that there are different shapes to the heads. We have a square one, a rectangular one, and a triangular one. Testers really felt like the triangular one had a couple of advantages. Why don't you give that one a try?
All right. Well, there's no problem going across the crossbar here.
It doesn't get caught on anything.
And it gets a lot.
Exactly. That
once.
wide edge covers a lot of ground on the top of the bars, and then if you turn it on its side, you can go right between the bars and do a really thorough cleaning job with that one.
I'm busy right now. Shh.
Okay. You're loving it. You're getting into the zen of grill cleaning. A lot of grillers are concerned with the metal bristles because there have been reports that sometimes they can come loose or even dislodge, land on the grill grate, and therefore get into your food. So testers were super careful looking for that, and they never experienced that phenomenon with any of these 3.
Good.
And in fact, they went on to do a little abuse testing with this one, which was their favorite. They went outside to the sidewalk and scrubbed the hard cement with 20 strokes, and they never saw a bristle come
Really?
loose. So in the end, they actually have 2 recommendations to make. This one is the overall winner. This is the Weber 12-inch grill brush. It's about $8. It's got those metal bristles that measure about ½ an inch. It's got a triangular head, covers a lot of ground. You can turn it on its side, get between the bars. A lot of power in the handle. This is a great grill brush. However, if you're concerned about those bristles, and some grillers are, they're also gonna recommend this guy here. That is the Kona Safe Clean Bristle-Free Grill Brush. It's about 20 bucks. It's got those stainless steel coils.
Right.
It did a pretty good job cleaning. The only complaint there is that to get between the bars, you have to turn it at sort of an awkward angle. But if you're concerned about the bristles, that's gonna give you more peace of mind.
Well, it seems like you still have to do some work over here.
I'll trade places with you.
There you go. Our winner is the Weber 12-inch grill brush. It's about $8. Or if you're worried about bristles, then go with the Kona Safe Clean Bristle Free Grill Brush. It retails for about 20 bucks. Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.